នេះសារព្រៀបឲ្យបានអស់ចិត្តបើសិននួននាងអាណិតជីវិតបងពិតមានណែ
I'm come here to the Delaware River right behind the Walmart. There's a high tide now. Yeah, this is dedicated Park, Delaware River, you can see here.
Here's the thing about old ideas. You don't let them in, they can't hold you back. The new GV7.
It's high tide now. It's a lot of water. It is the other side is New Jersey. So this is a river, Delaware River, Philadelphia and New Jersey, Pennsylvania. It's high tide now.
Đây là nhà đi tay lừa tu con sắt
That's New Jersey, the other side, this side Philly. There's a boat coming right there. There's a high tide now. There's a lot of water. Right here, there's a dock thing. Been a long time. There's another dock over there. There's a New Jersey side to the east. Caught any fish yet? Oh, you just got there. Yeah, it's been raining. It's high tide now. Yep, it's a lot of water. There's two docks over there. That's New Jersey. There's over there. There's a Whitman Bridge. Yeah, the other side is New Jersey. side over there that Penguin Bridge. Yeah. So you got two bridge, Whitman Bridge and Penguin Bridge. This is Delaware River between Philadelphia and New Jersey. You can see over there, there's a New Jersey. Yes, all the way there in New Jersey. I forgot the name of that tree. You can see it's two of them. So right now it's May 22nd. It's been cold. It's supposed to be get my hood. I don't know. I go to gym. Today I come all the way to Delaware River. So I only have a long sleep, short sleep, plus well, this road is, you can keep walking, do exercise if you want to. There's a goose over there. Maybe I took a picture. I mean, you have a bike, e-bike, scooter, walk. It's good for exercise. Oh, they got a mother and mom. Goose over there. That's New Jersey, the other side. Got three baby, mom and daddy. There's a goose. You got three baby, dad and a mom. So a lot of flower. This is I'm walking alongside Delaware River. Yeah. Oh, we got another goose over there. Yeah.
Everyone's getting that new Simply Safe outdoor monitoring.
How do we compete with AI-powered outdoor cameras and live agent monitoring?
Stop. This is Simply Safe.
Whoa! I didn't even see those guys.
Yes. There's a high tide. You see a lot of rain still left this morning. This is Smile Dam. I'm chưa. Đây xuân Sapa dùng quanh promote. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. នេះ is a south wetland. Yeah. We got e-bio here. It's good. This is a waterfront. There's a high tide, that's a front. Oh, that's where I stay now. Okay, thank you. I just want to end this video right now. Thank you so much.